Hello and welcome to PB-Spec, the channel about vibrational spectroscopy. Today I'm talking about what is spectroscopy. First let's talk about the name, spectroscopy. Spectroscopy is composed of the Latin word spectrum, meaning image, appearance or spectra, and the Greek word scopein, meaning to see. Added together it means image seeing or ghost seeing, hence the picture of the channel. But why is spectroscopy now ghost seeing? This is because certain properties of matter cannot be directly seen, but their interaction with light can be observed. For example, you cannot see the elemental composition of a material with the naked eye, but because different elements react differently with electromagnetic radiation, this can be observed. Such a reaction could be the reflection of light. Another reaction could be the transmission and attenuation of light. Another one could be the change of color. This is wavelength. There are many more ways how electromagnetic radiation can interact with matter, and spectroscopists are very creative to find even new ones. All of them have in common that we can't see material properties directly, but we see the image of such an interaction, and from this ghost image we try to deduce the object or the properties which cause this interaction. To use an analogy, we can say that spectroscopy is scientific shadow play. We only see the shadow on the screen, and we might ask ourselves, okay, but what caused this image? How does that structure look like? In science, the elements from our simple analogy are replaced. The light becomes a source of electromagnetic radiation or particles. Remember the wave-particle duality. The hand causing the shadow becomes our specimen and the screen becomes our detector. Since many interactions cannot be seen with the naked eye, not to mention measuring them, the detector is a crucial part in any spectroscopic experiment. It transforms the incoming signal into something we can actually see, the spectrum. Spectral interpretation is the key to spectroscopy. Without that, one is left with useless graphs. It's important to understand that the result of a spectroscopic experiment is a spectrum, and reproducing the experiment ideally should yield the same result. Spectral interpretation, however, means that there is not a single truth, because different spectroscopists may arrive at different interpretations, and even a single spectroscopist's conclusion may vary over time. This is because spectral interpretation is an art, which requires good training and a lot of experience. Experts in the field may be able to recognize and read small bumps which remain unnoticed by other people. To sum up, spectroscopy is an indirect way to investigate matter. Not the material itself, but its interaction with light, that is, its ghost image, is studied. Therefore the name ghost seeing. This was PB Spec, thanks for watching.